Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. E to the power of 3s we can put into e to the power of s, e to the power of 2s, because 2s plus s we have 3s. For this one we can put into e to the power of s to the power of number 2. Next we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to e to the power of s ds. This one we change by u, this one we change by u, e to the power of s ds we change by du. Next we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to u square. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 2u du. dv we have e to the power of u du. The integration of this one we have v equals to e to the power of u. So we have t multiplied by v, so we have u square e to the power of u minus we have dt multiplied by v, so we have number 2, and we have the integration u e to the power of u du. Now this one should be about u, so we have du. So about this one we have u multiplied by e to the power of u, that is about t and v. Minus we have dt multiplied by v, so we have the integration e to the power of u du. This one we have e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about e to the power of s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.